I thought it was a sexual device from out there when I looked into the room, but it's not. It's a cleanser.
No, it's a cleanser. Maybe it's a duo use. Who knows? Hello, Anita. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
I'm here with Lesley Jane Seymour today at her house here in Westchester County, New York. We're not actually doing a job today. This is more of a consultation because Lesley, like most
We
of
are
us,
downsizing. Can you tell? I'm Lesley Jane Seymour, and I am a good friend of Anita Devlin. I was a fashion beauty editor. I ran magazines. I had a very big, crazy, wackadoodle life. I collected a lot of clothing. I collected tons and tons of beauty products, handbags galore, you name it, I have it. We don't want to throw this stuff into the waste stream. No. There is somebody who can use it, but the question is, where does it go?
Joe, pull up my car to the back because I'm going to start throwing things out the window.
Oh, yeah.
To the car.
Yeah, you can have it.
This is going to be a big,
I'm in the
big
mood
problem.
to get rid of everything. My husband's afraid that if he stands too close, he's going to be packed up and moved out the door. So, being an editor-in-chief of a magazine, how do you get dressed every morning? This is, half of it's been taken out, but you can see I've got all of it in the other room. I mean, you were required to have the right handbag, the right shoe, the right thing for whoever you were meeting. This was a necessity. I should have written it off as a business expense. I don't want to put this stuff in the garbage. It doesn't belong in the garbage. It should have a second life. I have a smaller life, and I need a house that's going to actually fit with that at the same time. This is where my daughter grew up until she moved upstairs to the third floor when she was a big girl. She didn't want the little baby room anymore.
Jackpot. Jackpot.
So
What is all that?
this is Beauty Product Central.
This is the stuff that we're talking about that you
Yeah,
know
I
what
have to get
do
rid
with.
of some of it. Yep, I have to
How
find
old are
out
these?
where can I give this to, who can use it.
Is there anything
Yeah.
that could make me less white? Like tanning stuff?
Oh, the best stuff is Rhodiola. I actually have it in the other room.
Perfect. I'll take a whole bottle case of that.
And then these are all the clothes that have to go. I haven't even brought down all the handbags and all that stuff.
What about, I mean, obviously not the really, really dressy outfits, but what about like women's shelters? Taking clothing when they're out looking for jobs, nice outfits, clothing.
Nobody's going to go to a job interview in this. It's a great dress, but they're not
I
going to
would.
do a job
I
interview.
would. Depends on the job, though.
It depends on what job you're looking for. Fifth of this, not this stuff. What are you doing?
Nothing. Oh my God.
Oh, aren't those great?
Oh my God.
Let me see.
Those are the best.
Close up.
Those are the best. I don't think they'll take them because you see the footprint in here. But these are vintage Chanel. But what am I going to do with them? Like, where am I going to wear those?
So, Anita, what's going through your head right now? What's your thought process?
I'm so mad that I'm so fat because I don't fit in any of those sample size clothes. So I'm trying to think of where we're going to donate everything or how I'm going to get you all and come steal all the stuff. Where else are we going now? You have another
Oh,
closet?
then come upstairs. Yeah, and you can
Sounds
see
good.
all my old pictures and like what do I do with all my old editors' pictures? And I have all my writing all the way back from Vogue and Women's Wear Daily. I don't want to just throw it all out. That's
No.
my whole archive. So here is where I kept all my work pictures from when I first went to More. This was a Love Your Age thing. Another
What happened to
thing.
More?
More magazine died because there are no advertisers for women 40 plus. They think we don't care. They think
No.
we don't buy anything. We don't need anything. They're completely
We've been
foolish.
dismissed.
Foolish.
And not
foolish.
just the women,
But that's
men,
what
our
Covey
age
Club's
group.
about. Covey Club is making women like us visible. That's what Covey's all about. Women who are executive or CEO or managerial who believe that after the age of 40, it's the best time of their lives. There's tons of people doing great, fabulous, interesting, amazing things. It's just not what you did in your 20s. So this is why I want to digitize this look. I mean, it just has meaning to me. But these are all my first articles I wrote as a copywriter. John Travolta on the cover of
Red Book.
Jennifer Aniston, right?
She's our favorite, by the way. We love you, Jen. We want to come heave ho at your house.
Only
But-
if Brad's there.
What?
Brad Pitt. Maybe they'll get back together though.
Oh, please,
They're
who
gonna get back
cares?
together?
What are your thoughts,
I don't know.
Anita?
My thoughts are that I'm going to try and talk Lesley into keeping some of this
Okay,
like
some
this.
of it. Okay,
This
we'll
is
see.
interesting. This
Yeah.
is your life.
Yeah, no. That's what's hard. This is my life. That's what's really difficult. I want to start a new life. I'm at that point in my life where you sit around this house, which I love. Like it's the house of my dreams. I lived here for almost 25 years. My kids were here. They grew up here. But then there's a certain point that happens where your kids aren't coming back. They come back, for Christmas, they come back for a holiday, but they're not living here anymore. And you're kind of sitting around waiting for them to come back, and we realize they're not coming back. It's not going to be the same. And where we are in the suburbs, it's a kids community. I mean, everything that goes on here is for kids. Once you have no kids, there's nothing to do. I think it's time for Jeff and I to try something new. I'm kind of sad that that's not my life anymore, and at the same time, I'm really excited that it's not my life anymore. I feel like I have this huge, wide, unknown opening that I'm really excited about.
All right, ladies.
We're all good. We had a nice walkthrough with Lesley. I am going to go back and put a list together of names, people to call to come in, to digitize, places to donate. And it's all going to be good. We're going to figure it all out, and we're going to give a lot and sell
Get a lot.
whatever you want, whatever
Yeah.
she wants to do.
It's great.
This was very, very interesting.
Ready to rock.
And I'm walking out of here without anything I didn't.
Yeah,
Where are the shoes back
check your
here?
pockets.
Press
your
You like those Chanel little slip-ons, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a lot of bags here too. You might want to check my bags.
Yeah, better check the bags. Thank you.
All right.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Cool.